On the road, everyone makes mistakes. No matter how experienced a driver is, mistakes happen every single day on the road. Someone forgets to indicate, brakes suddenly, drifts out of their lane, or misjudges a gap at an intersection. The reality is simple. Driving is not about expecting perfection from other people. It's about being prepared for human error. At Panache Driver Training, we teach students that one of the most important defensive driving skills is controlling your space around the vehicle. When you manage your space properly, you dramatically reduce the chances of being involved in someone else's mistake. What does controlling your space mean? Controlling your space means maintaining safe distances around your car. Keeping a safe following distance. Avoiding driving in blind spots. Leaving space beside parked cars. Watching escape routes in traffic. Adjusting your speed to conditions. When you create space, you create time. And time is what saves lives on the road. Space gives you time to react. If another driver makes a mistake and you're too close, you may have no time to respond safely. But when you've left enough room around your vehicle, you have more options. More time to brake smoothly. More time to steer away safely. More time to recognize hazards early. More time to correct your own mistake. Good drivers are not drivers who never make mistakes. Good drivers are drivers who manage risk before a problem happens. Defensive driving is about responsibility. It's easy to blame other drivers, but safe driving starts with taking responsibility for your own decisions. You cannot control what other road users do, but you can control your speed, your attention, your following distance, your positioning, your reactions. When students learn to focus on what they can control, they become calmer, safer, and more confident drivers. Mistakes happen. Preparation matters. Every road user is human. That means mistakes are unavoidable. The safest drivers are the ones who expect mistakes and prepare for them before they happen. Just because National Road Safety Week ends tomorrow does not mean road safety ends. Safe driving is something we should practice every day, for ourselves, our passengers, and everyone else on the road. At Panache Driver Training, we help learners develop defensive driving habits that build confidence and keep them safe long after they pass their driving test. Because safe driving isn't just about controlling the car, it's about controlling the space around you.